What did Daddy do to your hair? Did Daddy give you a mohawk? Yeah, you don't like it, do ya? You don't like it, do ya? Why was Daddy able to do your hair? Can you tell everybody what you did this morning? Uh-huh. Then what? Can you tell them what else you did? Can you tell them what else you did this morning? Say, I took a shower. I took a shower with Mommy. I liked it. The water was warm. Yes, the water was warm. Yeah?